All right, so I turned this. This was going the other way. I'm gonna pull some of this propolis off. I'm gonna slide it down here, just because I really don't want it to stick to the bottom of the lid there when I come back to pull it up, to do anything with it. Of course, these bees are all over it. This is just propolis. I say propolis because I work with propofol. I don't care. If that's right or wrong, that's what I say. Alright. It's obviously not a clean sweep, but you see it'll stick to the under part of this hive. I'm gonna shake these out. There's gonna be plenty of dead bees in here when I just by doing this. Alright guys. So these will be my last two hives to do out here, these two. Come out here just for two hives, right? You're thinking it's a waste of time. But if you save them and they survive the winter, you get 50 to 100 pounds of honey from these hives. I mean, this honey here I sell for $10 a pound. Not wholesale, but individual bottles, and I sell it for up to 30 to 40 for my spicy stuff. So a trip's worth it. And so now what I need to do, a little bit of smoke, get these guys to kind of calm down a little bit. Matter of fact, I'm gonna leave this running. I'm gonna take these buckets in. I'll definitely will do a recap from the front of the hives.